Hey guys, welcome back. It feels like Christmas has come again early. John, Andrew and the team from Craftbox Direct have kindly sent out their latest subscription box. So this is the May one here, it just arrived yesterday. So I thought I'd share the contents with you all. Now if you live in New Zealand and you're interested in what you get in one of these boxes, I'll put a link below. Also, the team have given me a $16 discount code that you can use off your first subscription box. So check it out anyway, see if you're interested. If not, sit back, especially you guys from overseas, sit back and yeah, just see what New Zealand has to offer in the way of craft beers for this month. So we'll just run through them quickly. So first up, in each of the box you get the tasting guides. So here's obviously the May one. So it's got all the different beers inside and some notes about each of them. That is always handy, really enjoy having that. So first up we have Batch Brewing Hop Snorkeler Hazy IPA. 6.4%. So they've used Rewaka, Kohatu, Mosaic, and Idaho 7 in there. So that should be absolutely fantastic. Nice juicy beer. Put this back here. Next up we have beer from Isthmus Brewing, No Man's Land XPA. So these guys are a local brewery to me and really enjoyed their other beers, so looking forward to trying the XPA. Should be a cracker. So that's another one, another big 440ml can as well. Okay, next up we have from New Corporation, we have XO Rye Stout. So that's cool, getting into the dark beer territory now. We're heading towards winter, so looking forward to enjoying that one evening when it's cold and miserable outside. Next up we have Idaho Hayes from Balin's Brewing. Assuming it's got Idaho 7 hops in there. Mashed up with Citron Centennial, so that'll be another cracker. Looking forward to that. Next up we have a beer from Behemoth Brewing Company. This is Me Time Mosaic Single Hop Hazy IPA. So it was cool to see beers with a single hop, just so you can really get a full picture of what an individual hop can deliver to a beer. So looking forward to that one. 6.8%. So that's a nice, another big beer. Next up we've got the Wizard Pale Ale from Boneface. That is some fantastic beers, 5.1%. So looking forward to that. Fortune Favours Trailblazer Hoppy Lager. So that'll be a cool one. It says crafted with iconic New Zealand hops. So looking forward to that. So far there's some real cracking beers here, and pretty much all of them I haven't tried. So Brothers Beer, brewed here in Auckland. So this is their Manticore Hazy White APA. Cool looking label. 5.8%, so another cracking one to look forward to. Excuse the sirens. It's all happening outside. 3.7%, a nice little session IPA from Sawmill. So I've come home from a hard day at work and just want a quick refresher. This could do the trick. Next up we've got Urbanauts The Mission American Pale Ale. Looking forward to that one as well. In fact, I'm looking forward to them all. Who wouldn't be? So here we've got Townsend Brewery. This is their Black Arrow New Zealand Pilsner. What's that, clocking in at 5%? So I'm assuming that's been hot with New Zealand hops. And what else have we got? Okay, Sprig and Fern. Got their Go Big or Go Double IPA. So a nice big double IPA here. What's this one clocking in at? 7.2%. So that'll be a nice sort of evening sort of nightcap or winter warmer. So looking forward to that. And then last but not least, This is an extra bottle in this month's subscription, so 13 bottles. Now this is called Gift Horse Hazy IPA, and it's from Badass Beverages, who are new on the scene. And what they've done is they've put a label that you can actually gift this beer if you desire to someone. You can put your name, dear, and from, and then you can mark off congratulations, thanks, etc., and write a little note. So that's pretty cool. So if someone you know has done something special, you could gift them a bottle of that. So that's really cool. I'm really looking forward to trying all these beers. So yeah, if you haven't seen any of these, yeah, maybe check them out. So I think that's all, guys. Yeah, just a quick unboxing video. Better get a shot here. Like I say, check out Craftbox Direct below if you're interested. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. And yeah, stay tuned. Oh, all sirens, might be a good time to sign off. Yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Over and out.